Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to discuss something which is related with the channel. As you can see, the inventory series is going. I try to make a devlog for dev by author every 2 weeks, but I have a question. I work on other 2 projects at the same time and I have question to you. Do you have interest to see the other games? For example, I can change the devlog for dev by author with the other. What are the other projects? The second main game that I work on currently is the runner game. This is working title for the project. The first subscriber saw this project from the teaser, but I can show it again. Actually, this is the first project that I started when I started working with Unreal Engine 4. The year was 2018. Reason I stopped working on it and started on other, because it was boring for me and I didn't have the skill to finish it. 2 weeks ago I realized that I can finish it, upgrade it, and as a final I can release it. The other game is strategy game. The people that don't know me, I like the strategy games such as Imperia Online, Civilization, this similar genre. The project that I work on is a recreation exactly of the browser game called Icarium. I realized that they have a new server which started 4 months ago and I started playing it again. And I remember when I was younger, I played this game and it was so cool and I was like, if I have the skills, I would like to change something or upgrade something or add new things. And now I realized that I can try to recreate this. Yeah, Dev by Author and this game are 2 big projects, but it is good to make a big milestones because to follow them. So I would like to see your opinions in the comment down section below. Would you like to see devlogs for these 2 projects? And if you want, let me know. And of course, if you like this video, you can leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, thank you for your attention. See you in the next video. Bye bye.